Hi, I'm Jack with healthofmyhome.com. Welcome to the very first of the 40 videos in the series that I call The Foundation. They're meant to help you get solid understanding of the principles of how your house performs and how to take control of your home's indoor environment. In this video, we will look at what actually makes a house more energy efficient. We'll start at the very base principles. Most of the energy in a typical house in the northern climate is spent on heating, and we will talk a lot about that loss. If you are spending most of your energy on air conditioning, all the same principles play out and the same solutions work, just the airflows will be reversed. So let's see where all that heat goes and what can be done to heat the same house using far less energy. Imagine a cardboard box. It's sitting in some cold place. Let's say you want to put eggs in it and keep them at a constant temperature to keep them warm so they would hatch. What would you need to do to achieve it with the least amount of energy? To answer this question, we just need to understand how the box is losing heat. And in the case of our box, there are two main pathways. Physics nerds will point out the third way, but for our purposes, only two matter. First one is the heat that is being carried away by all the air that moves through the box, since it's not airtight. When you hear the phrase heat rises, which is technically incorrect, that is what is meant. As you warm up the air, it floats up and finds its way out. And however much air escapes, same exact amount of air has to come in to replace it. That air now has to be reheated, which takes energy. Second way is the heat that is moving in all directions through the box itself. What heat is a vibration of atoms. You can imagine them bumping into each other and passing on that vibration. And yes, it's moving in all directions. Insulation is what we use to slow this movement of heat. And because of these two energy loss pathways, there are just three things that need to be done to make this box energy efficient. First, make the box airtight. We can pretty much fully eliminate the heat loss of the air moving through it. Second, insulate the box all around. Not just the top and the walls, all around. We cannot stop all the heat moving through the box that way, but we can drastically reduce it with insulation. Now our box is really good at keeping the heat in. So all we have to do now is 3, provide the heat in that box by using an efficient heater. That's pretty much it. Now, why am I talking about cardboard boxes at all? The fact is that if you magnify this box, it's actually your house, and all the same concepts apply to it. It takes just those 3 general actions to make any house energy efficient. Make it airtight, insulate all around, and provide efficient heat. But of course, there are a lot of details and nuances in how we do those things. What follows from this is understanding how a shape of a house affects its performance. We'll look at it in the next video. This was Jack with healthofmyhome.com. Thank you for watching.